In this video, I'll show you how to get by through the Twitter. You have exceeded the number of allowed attempts to verify your phone issue. So it's a known issue on Twitter. But before we start, make sure you give this video a like. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel for more awesome videos just like this. And also comment down below if you have any questions around the video. I would love to help you out in the comment section down below. So when you go on Twitter, chances are you're getting this error. And there's a fix for that. Actually, if you Google the error Twitter temporarily account locked, you actually see a thread started at the Twitter forum at the frequency asked questions, and it says that help with temporarily account lockout, and it basically says that after a limited number of failed attempts to sign into Twitter, most of the time it's just free attempts, you will be temporarily locked out from trying to sign in. When your account is locked, you will not be able to sign in even with the correct password. So the issue here is that you'll be locked out, and you gotta wait around an hour. This is what they're saying, and you gotta disable apps like TweetDeck, Hootsuite, widgets. They're actually talking about TweetDeck as well. If you're still signed in on it, you want to log out, and you can do a few things. You can confirm your login. If that doesn't help, you can request a new password, and if you still have issues, you can just click on this link, request a new password, or you can go through the password request form. There's a lot of other things you can do, but you can also contact Twitter from here. If you just click on contact support, you can just log in and then describe your issue. If this video helped you out, give it a like, and I want to see you in one of the next videos.